Welcome to Pip Insight. Sunday the 12th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, this one's worth your full attention. Gold has gapped lower into the Asian Open, with price sitting around $4,085 after a clean rejection from the $4,148 highs midweek. Across the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute timeframes, the structure is uniformly bearish, lower highs, lower lows, and price trading well beneath the converged EMA cluster sitting up near $4,114 to $4,115. That EMA zone is now acting as a dynamic resistance ceiling, and as long as price remains below it, the path of least resistance stays pointed downward. The 4-hour RSI is hovering around 48, which tells us momentum hasn't reached oversold extremes yet. There's still room for this move to breathe further to the downside. On the fundamental side, there are no high-impact US releases scheduled today, which means gold is largely trading on positioning and weekend sentiment rather than fresh catalysts. That tends to favor continuation of the prevailing structure rather than sharp reversals, so the existing technical picture carries more weight heading into this session. The levels worth watching closely are the $4,100 to $4,115 zone overhead. That's the area any bounce needs to navigate, and down below, the $4,032 to $4,045 region represents the structural swing low that defines the current range. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 18 and 1.1 for 28. Support is marked between 1.137 and 1.1382. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3394 and 1.3399. Support is marked between 1.33 for 8 and 1.3352. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Yen. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 162.4 and 162.55. Support is marked between 161.27 and 161.45. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8108 and 0.812. Support is marked between 0.8082 and 0.8095. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.5765 and 0.5782. Support is marked between 0.571 and 0.5725. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 217.28 and 217.42. Support is marked between 216.45 and 216.56. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.